And with breaking news, a leak of a major Supreme Court decision. We may see the court overturn abortion rights as we know it. Good evening and thanks for joining us at 10. I'm David Rose.
And I'm Jamie Tompkins. A leaked majority opinion obtained tonight by Politico says justices have voted to strike down Roe v. Wade. Fox 13 News reporter Jennifer Lee is live in the newsroom with reactions from both sides of the aisle. Jen, what are people saying?
Yeah, Jamie and David, we hear vastly conflicting views on abortion, but tonight many say the unprecedented leaking of the Supreme Court documents are shocking and concerning. Politico obtained the initial draft majority opinion that was circulated inside the court. It was written in February by Justice Samuel Alito. He writes Roe v. Wade was egregiously wrong from the start and that it must be overruled. If that happens, federal constitutional protection of abortion rights would be over and each state would be allowed to decide to restrict or ban abortion. Take a listen to reaction from an abortion advocate and a local pro-life voice.
It hadn't occurred to me that we would also need to continue to so vehemently fight for the right to choose what we do with our bodies. And in recent years, and certainly in the last few months, it has become clear to me that this is truly a fight for those most basic rights.
Good news and bad news. Good news because we've all been praying that a good decision would come down from the Supreme Court. Bad news that this unprecedented leaking of information from the Supreme Court staff or even a judge is literally sends a dark message to America about, there is no limits to breaking norms and principles and processes in our government.
Governor Jay Inslee also weighing in on Facebook. He writes in part, quote, "There's a lot to say, but the most important thing to know in this moment is this. Not here, not in our lifetime. Washington is and will remain pro-choice, and we will not slow down in the fight to ensure safe, affordable access to every person who needs it." We're learning justices at times will change their votes, especially on controversial cases. The court's decision won't be final until it's published, which likely won't be until this summer. In the newsroom, I'm Jennifer Lee. Back to you guys.